just about to do my heatless curls, so I'll talk you through it. Just freshly washed and blow dried my hair, and it's still warm from the hairdryer. This is very important. At the back, I like to do a zigzag part. Start from the root of your head and then just zigzag down and split it in half. That way you don't have a straight line going down the back once you take the curls out. You can do this on damp hair if you like, but personally my hair just doesn't dry. So when you place the curling rod on your head, place it right at the front, grab the hair at the back, kind of hold it over here like this, get your clip and clip it down to one side of your head. Seems a bit silly, but it's just to make sure that you don't get any hair from this side going into these curls. Then take a small section at the front, this size, and wrap it round. This one you want to be fairly tight, right at the very front of your hair, like where it's going to stay. Grab another section, and for this section I go all the way to the back of my head and pull that hair forward, join it to the first section and wrap the hair round. Make sure as well that you're not twisting the actual heatless curl, because then when you let go of it, it's all going to unravel. So try and keep that as flat as you can to the head. Another piece, pull it forward. I like to split my fingers in two like this, using my thumb, hook that section of hair up and then join it on to the first wrap round. If you need to, you can stop, just give this a little brush, make sure it's all neat. Try and make sure on each section you're pulling the hair tight to the head. So here I'll just give it a little wiggle, make sure it's nice and tight. You know, like if you're pulling a ponytail together, almost pull your hair against the curler and then it will go flat to your head. I find that this section is the part that gets the loosest. You want to be really careful here. It's really easy at this point to leave the curler out like this and then wrap the hair around, and then obviously when you let go it's just going to unravel. When I get to the ear section, I like to actually direct the heatless curler back so it goes round with the curve of your head. Does that make any sense? When I have about this much left and I get to this section of the head, I just add it all in. Pull the heatless curler back, wrap round. So that's really tight up against my hairline here. I do like to brush the ends just to make sure there's no frizz or anything. Obviously I'm saying wrap the hair tight against the curler, but please try not to make it too tight, because then you will get a little bit of hair breakage, and obviously what we're not trying to do here. You want it tight but not too tight. Grab your hair tight. I like to grab my thumb and my finger, hold on to the end of the hair, keep hold of that. Put the hairband right over the top. You know then that that's secure. Now you can loosen this clip and do exactly the same on the other side. Now both sides are in, you want to twist away from your head. Put these bits back, do a little knot, and you can pull this tight too, like that. And this should stay in place all night, and then you'll wake up with your lovely heatless curls. I hope this helps.